looking for a spark. I feel it coming, I feel it coming. Waiting for the chance, trying to understand. Time keeps running, time keeps running. Can't get that far if you're scared to leave. Never reach those stars if you don't believe. So wake up, wake up. Don't waste your life on looking down. Gotta lift your feet up off the ground. Get up, and find yourself.
Just gonna sing that.
Well, go ahead. Everybody wants to hear you sing.
I can't wait to get on the road again.
We're on the road again.
And very happy to be so.
Yes. We had a great time in Oklahoma, but it is time to move north. It was getting a little stagnant, a little warm.
Yes. 90 plus degree every day and
today
80% humidity.
Yeah, they were talking record heat again today in Oklahoma, western Oklahoma.
Very hot.
Yeah, but we're happy we stopped.
Oh, absolutely. We got to see old friends and some new friends that are subscribers to our channel, so that was really cool to see you guys.
Yep. We had a good time. We got, we said it before, we're going to say it again, we got the RV fixed, the nose fixed.
Yay.
It looks beautiful.
It does. We're so happy with it.
Gary's Body Shop, you guys did an awesome job.
Yes.
We got a new roof put on while we were there.
I know, that was out of the blue. We weren't expecting to do that.
Didn't plan on it, but once we saw what was available, it just made perfect sense.
Oh, absolutely.
To have it done.
And the warranty on that thing?
Yeah, and we plan on keeping this RV for a long time, so hopefully it'll be well worth the money. I think it will.
Yeah.
We also saw how bad a roof can get.
Oh man.
If you let it go too long without maintenance. But they've got an RV in there now that they're tearing the old plywood off, putting on new decking, and going to shoot it with a new Flex Armor roof, and it's going to be good as new.
Yeah, look, just brand new.
And then my brother came to visit, and his wife.
Yes! Oh, we were so happy to see them. We haven't seen family since the beginning of September. So it was, I should say, our Spokane family. So it was really good to see Brandy and Meg.
And they were on their way north to see their son in Denver.
Yeah, actually, we're going to be in Denver tonight.
We are. We left this morning early, and well, not early. It was actually we got out about
right
10.
At 10.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alicia came to say goodbye.
Yes.
That was nice.
Yeah.
And we dumped our tanks, and then we hit the road and went to Amarillo and fueled up at the well, we stopped at the TA and Sayre. Prices are stable, but they're high.
They're very high.
So we put quite a bit of fuel in, because that's probably the cheapest fuel we're going to see for a long, long time.
And that's expensive. I can't even imagine what everybody else is paying.
Yeah.
What are you paying?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. We heard somebody say, a trucker say that he paid $8 a gallon in California last week.
Oh my gosh. How can they afford their job?
I don't know. It's just ridiculous.
Yeah.
So we are headed north to get into some cooler weather, hopefully some drier weather.
I'm excited for that.
We left Oklahoma, went to Amarillo, turned north. This is a route that we've never taken. We normally go out of Amarillo and then we move a little west-northwest in Dumas up Highway 87 and catch I-25 up north to Denver. This time we decided to stay on 287 out of Dumas and go straight. We're going to come out at Lamar, Colorado, and then on I-70, and we've got a boondock spot picked out. We're hoping it works out okay.
Yeah.
If not, we'll just keep on driving.
That's right. Because we're in Jello.
We're in Jello. Plan is Denver tonight, Billings tomorrow night, then on to Chirac in Superior, Montana. And we're anxious to see a lot of you guys there at Chirac. We understand. We saw some pictures of a side-by-side ride that a bunch of our Chirac friends took this weekend.
Yeah, and they're playing in the snow.
They were.
That was
fun. We're kind of anxious to get north and get into some little cooler weather. I don't know about the snow,
Not snow.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
And so anyway, this is kind of flatland, eastern Colorado. Not a whole lot going on here.
Nope.
We're going to get into Denver shortly and then on into Billings tomorrow night, so stick around.
No time to waste, running out of daylight. Take my hand and hold it tight. The glow of the sun, setting the mood right. You're the one thing on my mind. Time goes by for the rest of them. They say the best of them, they're living fast lives. But you and I, while the rest of them are missing out on love, we're taking our time. Their madness, we're magic like a summertime romance. Two kids in a slow dance, like the changing weather happens all too fast. But you got me believing we can freeze time with the feeling, a forever moment. We're gonna make this last. got me believing we could freeze time with the feeling. Hold on to 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 the feeling. Like a summertime romance. Two kids in a slow dance. Like the changing weather happens all too fast. But you got me believing we can freeze time with the feeling. A forever moment. We're gonna make this last. Hold on to the feeling. We're gonna make this last. Hold on to the feeling. We're gonna make this last. Hold on to the feeling. We're gonna make this last.
First stop, Denver.
Yay! We love Denver. One of these days we're gonna just stay here for a month and check it out. We
Yeah.
have not done that yet.
And we've got a subscriber that lives in Denver. Mile High Kit. We hope we get a chance to wave and say hello when we go passing through.
That'd be fun.
You know, it's so good to be back out on the road.
Oh, it is. It is. The countryside is just beautiful.
It is.
And to be able to do that and see all of it, it's just pretty amazing.
Yeah, we love this lifestyle. And we've said 100 times before, we're going to say it again. This lifestyle is not for everybody.
It's not.
But for us, it's absolutely perfect. We're coming up on 4 years.
I
4
can't
years
even
full-time
believe
on the
it.
road.
That's just
We
crazy.
did 2 years apart, you know, long-term part-time, and now 4 years of full-time, and it's just gone by fast.
It has. Ah, it's ridiculous.
But we love it. We love this lifestyle. It allows us to see so many different things across the country.
Yes, it does.
And it allows us to meet so many cool people.
Now I wish I would have put names down every time we met somebody to see how many hundreds of people that we've met, if not thousands by now.
And it's not just from this channel. It's just
No.
traveling across the country.
No, people, RV people are just the kindest and nicest people
Yeah.
that you would want to meet.
They're awesome. They are awesome. So next stop, planned next stop, is Billings.
We're getting closer.
Billings, Montana.
That's another beautiful place.
And we've got some things to share with our Billings trip. We kind of had a conversation with the Denver Police Department.
Officer Mike.
And we had a little mishap on the road.
We did. But, you know, when this guy can, he's just so mechanically inclined, it's ridiculous.
But stick around next week. We've got some super things to share. We were going to go through the whole Billings in this video, but it started to get a little long, and so we thought, you know, we've got so much to share with you guys on our next leg of our journey. We just wanted to stop it here and just say how much we really appreciate you guys coming along, and how much we love your positive comments.
We love our community. They're
This-
amazing.
this
You're
is-
all amazing.
Yes. This is an awesome community. So, and we've also got some special things coming up that we want to share with you, and we're kind of in the finalization process of some t-shirts, hoodies, and hats.
That's right. Merch.
Merch!
We're going to have merch.
We're working with a company right now that is working on our designs and our t-shirts and our hoodies and our caps, and we're excited to wear them and share with everybody, and we hope you find it interesting enough that you will want to pick up some of our shirts and hoodies and share with the community. We've got a couple of things that we're working on to maybe work on a hashtag and show off your Sweet Travels merch.
Yeah, we'll get that to you when we get the shirts ready to go out.
Yeah, we're really close. We're like this
We're
close.
really close.
Really, really close.
It's just been so crazy busy. We've been so busy.
So anyway, hats, t-shirts, hoodies, they're coming. We promise. We're going to share the design with you here shortly. And we've got some things to show you on the next leg of our journey, but we want to thank you guys so much. Oh, I can't believe this community.
I know. Well, we wouldn't be Sweet Travels without them.
I know.
You know, without you guys. You guys are so important to us, and we just love you, and we pray for you guys, and you're just very special to our hearts.
Yes, you are. So, we're going to wrap this one up from Denver, Colorado.
It all starts with an idea.
We'll talk to you next week, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.